Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about covering gray hair with henna. Henna is a completely natural and safe way to color your hair, but covering gray hair with henna requires a bit of patience and a multi-step process. The results are worth it, but you may be wondering which method to use in order to get the best results. No worries, we're here to help and break the process down for you. Did you know that all shades of brown and black henna are made up of a mix of natural red henna and indigo? Sometimes a single application of henna will give more of an orange tone than most people want. This is an indication that the red henna was not able to stick well to the gray hair. However, this is easily fixable with the priming application of henna. Henna tends to stick to hair, but might have a little trouble sticking to color-resistant grays and whites. Indigo, however, sticks better to henna than to hair directly. It may sound counterintuitive, but by first applying a layer of red henna on your hair before using a color kit involving indigo, you increase the likelihood of the indigo adhering properly and actually reducing red and orange tones in your final result. This is what we refer to as the two-step method for henna. In order to prime your hair properly, you will want to start with an application of red henna and then do a second application of brown or black henna. When using this two-step process, it's generally best to wait 72 hours between applications to allow the henna sufficient time to oxidize. However, we know that not everyone wants to wait that long or have red hair for several days, so using your second application a little earlier is fine. Be sure not to wait much longer than 72 hours though. You'll want the first application of henna to still be relatively fresh. Henna color works in layers, with each application making your color slightly darker. You can apply it as many times as needed to achieve your desired shade, which is why we usually recommend starting with a lighter shade than you think you might want. Think of henna like paint. Just as an artist might use several layers of color to get the perfect tone, henna might need multiple coats before it reflects the color you're looking to achieve. If you've dyed your hair brown with henna before and now only want to touch up the roots, it's also easy to do. As long as you use the same ratio of indigo and henna as you did in your previous applications, you can use as little or as much henna and indigo as you need. By following these steps, you can achieve a beautiful natural looking hair color that effectively covers gray hair and enhances your hair's overall health and shine. If you still have questions about the process, check out the linked article below or reach out to our henna experts at support@mmhair.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.